guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is SAAB Cars and my name is Marcus. This is the first video of 2019 and we're going to make an easy one, a DIY. We're going to make dark grey plastic look black again on the NG95. So it's not that bad, but I really wanted to try out this Vista Concept. It's what they call a miracle for exterior trim. So I've been trying different alternatives to this in the past, a lot cheaper. Usually it lasts 3 to 4 weeks and then the plastic is dark grey again. So it will be really interesting to try this with you guys and share the experience on the NG95. I have already cleaned off the plastic and put some masking tape on the glass. So without further ado, let's get to work. Since it's a new bottle, it has not been opened yet properly. And you actually don't need to use that much. So I have a microfiber towel, which I'm going to use. So I'm going to put some Vista Concept on the towel and then I'm going to start adding it to the plastic. So you don't need that much. I can already see a difference. The thing is that the cheap ones, they also make the plastic black, but they don't last. So with this, I really hope that will last more than 3 to 4 weeks. We'll see. And I just put the masking tape here because I wanted to show you the difference before and after applying the Vista Concept. So one of these bottles will probably last a really long time for you if you have 1 or 2 cars. So to the left of the masking tape we have the old one, the before, And to the right of the masking tape we have this new area where I put the Vista Concept. And I know it's not that easy to see, but I can see a big difference in reality with some different lighting perhaps. My wish is just that it will last more than 3 to 4 weeks. So I will continue on doing the rest and we'll see the complete end result. As you saw during the treatment, it was dead easy to apply this using a microfiber towel, and it actually went from dark grey to black. So the big question is, how long will this last? I've used the cheaper ones, and as I said before, they usually last 3 to 4 weeks. I hope this lasts at least 3 to 4 months. So stay tuned and see if that's going to be real or not. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share and subscribe if you did. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.